I think we really need to we really need to tell this administration who is the boss. And speaking of speaking of who's the boss. Syempre itong video na to, kuya, naku, viral na to nung Diyos me, nakakaloka.
Grabe, no?
Noong June 12 to.
Vin Leonor, ha? Wow.
Noong June 12, okay. Ipa-play ko lang yung video, ha. I-share ko sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So may event sa Malacanang. With the diplomats and representative of international organizations. I do not really understand the purpose ano tawag doon? Vin
Leonor, no? It's like parang drink for honor or wine for honor or something. You do that sa mga diplomats eh. So parang sinabay nila yung parang meet and greet with the diplomatic community dun sa June 12 nga, no? So it's all about optics din, no? Na para bang pinapakita ni BBM na ang tawag dito, the diplomatic community is solidly behind him, no? Especially with all the rhetorics that binitiwan niya, no?
So it was the event, Kuyang, was like a toast, no? It is a toast to the...
Yes, parang toast. Yes. So galing sila doon sa anong hall yon sa Malacanang to meet and greet, di ba? Yung nakatayo sila, tapos pumaparada yung mga diplomats, mga ambassadors, mga consuls, kung ano-ano, di ba? To meet and greet with them, shake their hands and all that, no? And after all the ceremony of meeting all those diplomats, nag-grand entrance na sila, no? Doon sa parang dining hall ata yan, na nandun na nga at na meron ng mga glasses of champagne ng mga ibang official doon, and I would assume na nandun din yung diplomatic community, no? So kaya dito na yung masilang bahagi.
Well, ang hindi ko masyadong gets, bakit kino-cover pa ng RTVM yung mga ganitong events?
Ayun na nga, they are trying to project na talagang we have our stature in the international community. You know, para bang ang nangyayari kasi, they're propping up this administration, especially Bongbong Marcos, at par with the great powers, no? Globally, no? Especially now that he is technically the Indo-Pacific proxy of the US. So parang ano yan eh, parang ang tawag dito, parang beauty pageant ba? Parang beauty pageant.
Oo nga kasi you know, you have 500 billion pesos earmarked for social amelioration program. So basically, you are recognizing that this country is really in need. Diba? Its citizens are really in need of aid. Diba? Right. And then pagkatapos, at the same time, ito yung mga isa sa mga hypocrisy ng administration ngayon eh. Pagkatapos at the same time, meron kang mga gantong pa-event na
talagang very grand, ha?
Oo, very grand eh. Very grand.
I suppose yung bottles of champagne dyan, mahina na yung 20 mil dyan.
20 mil isang bote.
Oh, mahina na ha. Pinakamahina na yan. Ilang bote kaya yan?
20 million? 20 million din sinasabi.
20,000 pesos siguro.
Per bottle.
Per bottle, oh.
There are 82 diplomats, kuya. 82 diplomats and several...
Nagkasampo ka, that's 200,000 already, and just the bottle, no? Alam mo naman itong si Lisa.
I know, she orders, 100,000, talagang 500,000 na
tequila.
Demands, in fact. Demands,
Pero Joey, no? Napansin ko na, napansin ko lang ito yung pinanood ko tong video na to, yung complete video talaga. Napansin ko na maybe she was tired for, you know, about an hour standing up on heels, no, sabi nga nung press release niya. Parang lango na siya nung naglalakad. Tingnan mo, yung naglalakad papunta pa lang siya doon sa doon kina Cheese Escudero. Parang ano na siya parang konti na lang.
Hindi na siya sober, no? Hindi na siya sober. Oo.
Play mo nga.
Sige, i-play muna natin, panoorin natin together. So, this is taken from RTVM. So, wala tong edit. Ito talaga yung nangyari nung gabing yun. Ayan.
Tingnan mo. Tapos walang protocol, inunahan pa si presidente,
Totoo.
Dapat nasa huli siya.
Ayan na. Teka, balikan natin.
Less than a second lang yan
Teka. Bakit i-ano natin yung quality?
Ano mo? Okay.
Ayan. Para bongga, makita natin na. Bakit ganun ang quality? Ayaw nila ipakita ng...
Yan, medyo ano na.
Yan. Ayan.
Yan.
Sharper na.
Sharper na. So that's 1 second. BBM will shake Cheese's hands, and then less than a second, kinuha na niya yung baso ni Cheese. So paano yan makapagsalita si Cheese ng about 20 words in just in less than a second?
Oo.
You know the fastest rapper now is Eminem at 7.5 words per second. So ibig sabihin na natalo na ni Cheese si Eminem, 20 words yun in just half a second. Tapos ang sagot daw niya parang 3 words din yun Ang sagot niya, allegedly ang sagot niya na hindi naman malamig yung champagne mo.
full conversation na, no? Well, ang tawag dito, itong video na to is 46 seconds actually. 46 seconds including yung paglakad niya, paglakad niya diyan. So, okay. So, hindi naman nag-hi, Okay, at this point,
parang atat na at that point, okay.
So at this point, tumalikod siya. Is she saying na at this point nag-uusap na sila?
Hindi pa, kasi hindi pa siya tinitingnan ni Cheese di ba? So that's 2 steps Can you make di mo? So between Bongbong shaking Cheese's hands and Lisa taking the champagne glass from Cheese's hands, it's just about a second or a second and a half. How could you utter those 20 words of about 36 syllables?
She's better than Eminem nga daw, Kuyang. She's better than Eminem daw.
Better than Eminem or yung yung isa anong tawag doon?
Si Glock 9. Actually, this is
yung post mo, Joey, no? Yun ang talagang tama, no, na she came up with a statement na talagang ewan ko kung binabayaran yung gumawa ng statement na yun na talagang mas added it added insult or to injury again, and it's making us all look fools, no? Not to buti sana kung may digital animator at talagang frame by frame, millisecond by millisecond, tapos i-superimpose yung text sa statement niya.
True. Ang kasi dito, Kuya, actually ang problem dito is this. Okay. So, ito yung nakita namin, ito yung nakita ng public. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung pinag-usapan nila, hindi natin ganun. It was really, really inappropriate. Okay? It was really inappropriate. She acted like she owns the place. Right. That's the number one problem.
The moment she
She
walked in,
acted like she owns the place. Remember, this is an event for dignitaries and the
highest officials of
highest
the land.
official of the land, the president, the house speaker, the senate president are all here. The executive secretary is here. I mean, all the important people in this government are here. And you're going to act as if you own the place and as if, di ba, parang ikaw yung bida dito.
Right.
Na parang you find it funny.
Right.
And what I don't understand is the audacity of the First Lady to say na kung ano man yung bantering nila ay para sa kanilang dalawa lang
Magkaibigan.
yun. Oo. This is not your event, Lisa Marcos.
Exactly. And Joey, there is a parallel or a similarity doon sa nangyari nga kay Attorney Eileen Bathan, former DOT Undersecretary, and her friend Attorney Regal Oliva, who still is the treasurer of Mandawi City. Na yung mga exchange of posts nila, sabi nga nila, is exaggeration lang of their friendship. Meron ding atang word yun na ginamit si Lisa doon sa post niya na she was being mischievous. No? I mean, you're the first lady of the land in front of all the dignitaries with the three highest ranking officials or two highest ranking officials of the legislative, and you are the wife of the president of a sovereign nation, and then you act mischievously with your quote-unquote friend who happens to be the Senate president, who happens to be third in the succession line of the presidency. Diba? So, talagang tama ka, Joey, no? Lisa Marcos is making a mockery of this government and of her husband and to the Senate presidency as an office and the Senate as an institution and the House of Representatives as an institution. Yun ang ginawa niya doon.
Oo. Alam mo kuya, ang feeling ko yung mga yung mga supporters kasi ng administration na to, they would say na pinapalaki nyo ang maliit na bagay, ineme, ganyan. Actually, this is no small thing.
No.
Okay? Hindi ito maliit na bagay. There are murmurs that can't be silenced, that Lisa Marcos is in control of this government. Okay? Yes. That's the number one problem. Hindi ko binoto yang babaeng yan. Okay? That's the problem. I did not vote for her. But she's gonna come. She's gonna walk in the middle of the ball. Diba? Acting like she owns everyone. It says a lot. Okay? Right. It says a lot. Ngayon, right. She doing this, it's not helping her. In fact, pinapatunayan lang niya na yung mga murmurs na hindi mapatahimik ng administration na to hanggang ngayon is probably true. Diba?
And then, immediately after, Cheese Escudero came out with a statement that he was being a gentleman, that waiting for a lady, be it another lady or the first lady, is still a chivalrous act on his part. Come on, Queso, Mr. Senate President, we are not questioning your chivalry. What we are questioning is the inappropriateness of the behavior of the First Lady and her seemingly disproportionate action in relation to the event that she was in, and the guests and the reputation of the guests that was there, and the event, and the place, and the office that those people are holding. So she's just mocking herself, but it's the entire representation of the whole government, and indirectly the Filipino people like us.
Exactly. Ayun nga eh. So, I mean, ano no, for the first lady to act this way, tapos yung, well, you've mentioned it already na, alam mo, Cheese, hindi ka naman talaga namin masyadong bet eh, sa totoo lang. Hindi ka namin masyadong bet. Kasi ilang beses ka nang naging senador and I didn't see any significant, significant contribution you as a senator did for the country. Na parang, what is Cheese known for? Any legislation that he is known for? I mean, meron bang papasok sa isip ninyo na ganun? Yeah, what I know is that on paper, you act as an independent senator. And recently actually Cheese is quite rational when talking about the dispute in South China Sea. And actually, to be fair kay Chisa, medyo rational siya dun sa mga sinasabi niya dun sa mga ganung bagay.
And if I may add, Joey, yung him stopping the construction of the new Senate building complex, na pinareview niya.
So,
maganda yun.
Yeah. So, well, he would have some good statements every now and then or Pero I don't remember Cheese as someone who is parang ano yung like significant piece of legislation that he was able to lobby to had he left any legacy in form of a law to the Filipino people. But anyway, okay, just to draw the point that while Cheese is a bit rational sa mga kumbaga compared to other senators, mukhang rational siya dun sa pag-deal with the South China Sea issue. May mga flashes of brilliance din si Cheese, but I haven't really he's not the kind of guy that I'm willing to die for.
Oh, exactly.
Diba? For greatness. He's not exactly that. Ganyan.
Right.
But anyway, just to draw the point that hindi ka namin actually masyadong bet, sir. Diba? Hindi ka namin masyadong bet. So, hindi ka namin dinedefend dito sa sitwasyon na to. But you are holding you are holding an office which actually you are holding a position in the government which is inherently kumbaga parang powerful because of the fact that you are third in line sa succession in case things goes to we experience the worst case scenario, ganyan. So your office is something that I can respect because meron kasi talagang dinadalang power yung opisina mo because like I mentioned before, the Senate President holds a very critical responsibility because you need to make your colleagues happy in as much as you accommodate Malacanang. So how are you going to balance that, diba?
And then the House, because every bill that goes through the House will be elevated to the Senate before it is approved for signature to the President. So
correct.
Medyo maselan talaga yung trabaho ng
his position is critical in crafting policies overall, diba? So, yun, Cheese. Yun. So, ibig sabihin, kung sakali na yung mga ganitong bagay, ikaw din, dapat nire-respeto mo yung posisyon mo. You just don't accept, well, hindi ito yung pagiging hindi yung pagiging, hindi, chivalry, kineme. It's above that. We're talking about, we're talking about protocols here. We're talking about our government structure here. We're talking about Lisa Marcos respecting that office as well. Okay? Ngayon kung kunwari sobrang close ninyo, nagkukurutan kayo sa totoong buhay, nagsusubuan kayo sa dinner, ganyan. Wala po kaming pakialam dyan. Just do it on your own time. Ikaw rin, Lisa. Do it on your own time.
Right.
Diba? Kapal naman ang mukha nito ni Lisa Marcos eh. Grabe, sa ibang level na kakapalan ng mukha eh. I mean,
and they're live TV, ha?
Kung nagsha-shot puno kayo among yourselves, diba? Kung kunwari, nag-iinuman kayo sa Nara, sa Quirk, sa bahay ni Hart, sa sala ni Hart, or wherever, di ba? Gawin niyo yung mga gusto ninyo na, Diyos ko po, gusto niyo mag-body shot pa kayo dyan eh, pag umiinom kayo ng tequila. We don't fucking care. Pero ikaw, Lisa Marcos, ikaw na rin yung nagsabi, you have 82 dignitaries there. And you find this place appropriate para mag-banter? Kung di ba naman kayo mga tangat kalahati? Just
82 dignitaries means 82 sovereign nations with
represented in that event. And how do you want our country to be told by these dignitaries back in their home country?
You know, before I forget, Joey, no, I could have forgiven Lisa, no, if Cheese was holding a glass of water, because I would have understood na medyo napagod or nauhaw siya doon sa ano, one hour na pagtatayo niya doon, when she could have actually asked for some water. Doon sa 1 hour niya pag-ano niya doon, pagpa-meet and greet doon. But anyways, kung tubig lang yun, okay. Tapos, if Cheese was very gentlemanly and chivalrous, Cheese would have offered it to her. Di ba? But the way she grabbed the glass away from Cheese's hands, which is half full of champagne, expensive champagne, speaks derogatorily of her attitude and her manners.
And she badly represented the Philippines here. That's the problem. She badly represented the Philippines here. Ngayon, ito yung ano eh. A lot of people would maliit na bagay, ganyan. Sabi ni Pixie, symbolic of trust yun. Between the two of them. Pixie. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung nagsusubuan sila or nagbabody shot sila, silang dalawa lang yun. But this is not just about the two of them. This is about Lisa representing our fucking country before the 82 dignitaries.
And you know what, Joey? It's been covered by mainstream media now, and I'm thinking it's going international now. Ano na ang sasabihin ng mga foreign citizens, yung yung mga ibang lahi sa mga Pilipina? Lisa Marcos painted a very disgusting picture of a mature Filipina. 'Di ba? So ano na ngayon ang I'm sure there will come a time na may mga Pilipina diyan sa abroad na yung mga foreigners na nakakita nito kahit hindi na gustong uminom yung babae or nasa barba or kaya hindi nag-inuman gaganyanin ng bibigyan ng baso, inumin mo tulad yung first lady nyo. Lasinggera pala kayo mga Pilipina, di ba? I mean, you know, I'm not saying na it will happen, but you know, some people have crazy ideas.
Attorney Arneldo Valera, hello, good morning. Yeah, I think it's morning in New York, no? Sabi ni Attorney Arneldo Valera, sabi niya, chivalry is not a scenario where the president of the Philippines is mistaken for a waiter by the first lady who takes his champagne glass, sips from it, and returns it to him. In this situation, the Senate president, sensing discomfort, twirled the champagne glass, a gesture more suited for wine, not champagne. While it might be considered an honest mistake, chivalry would have required the First Lady to recognize and acknowledge the Senate President's status from the outset. Thus, ayan.
Thus, nakainom na yan si Lisa. Lango na siya. Tingnan mo yung paglalakad niya. Di ba? Parang yung ganyan-ganyan na,
hindi na siya So it's so inappropriate. It's so inappropriate. Yung balikan ko lang yung comment kuyang ni ni Pixie na parang symbolic of trust daw yung nangyari kay kay Cheese Escudero and kay Lisa Marcos. Let me just break this down for you, Pixie, okay? This is an event that is done in honor of different dignitaries all over the world, sent by different countries to the Philippines. mga ambassadors, mga kung anik-anik, ganyan. International organization representatives. Lisa said it, di ba? Na parang, itong event na kasi nito, sosyalang malalato ganyan.
Yes.
Okay. So these people are actually the ones who are going to give feedback to each and every country they belong to. Okay? So the symbol of trust that you are talking about has nothing to do here. Hindi yan business ng mga iba't ibang bansa at ibang organization. Wow, Chis Escudero trust Lisa Marcos, and Lisa Marcos trust Chis Escudero really hard.
Or very intimate.
Pake doon. They are not here in the Philippines para magmarites kung anong relasyon ni Lisa at ni Chis Escudero. Okay? So, I mean, there's no justification. And I think the apology of yung statement ni Lisa Marcos, she didn't apologize in that statement.
Wasn't even an apology, yes.
Wasn't even an apology. Oo. Yung sinabi yung explanation ni Lisa Marcos dyan, it strengthens the impression that she is really enjoying flexing powers that is not even hers.
Yes.
Yun yung hindi maganda dito. Okay? Yun yung hindi maganda. Bakit? Babalik na naman tayo sa katotohanan na ikaw, Lisa, hindi ka namin binoto.
Yun.
Okay? Wala kang mandato, hindi ka namin binoto.
Yun.
Okay? And I do not understand where you get your kakapalan ng mukha to act that way. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, the problem with Lisa is, sobrang shameless. Okay? You control your husband, edi kontrolin mo. Pagkatapos, kontrolin mo, pero yung hindi namin nakikita. Maya ka naman sa amin. Right. Diba? Ang problema, kinokontrol mo na nga yung asawa mo at yung mga tao sa ibaba ng asawa mo, and you're not even ashamed of it. Yun. And that makes you a despicable woman.
No remorse, no regret.
Binababoy mo yung bansa namin, Lisa Marcos. My God. As in, nakakaloka siya. Would you like to, Kuyang, yung balikan natin yung statement ni Lisa?
Balikan natin. Digest natin. Bilangin natin kung ilang words yun.
Ito kasi yung sabi niya. Ito yung explanation niya. So after it had gone viral, ayan. Ito yung sabi niya. Ayan. The statement of First Lady Lisa Marcos on the viral wine glass video. So basically, it's a champagne glass, di ba? Anyway, so siya nagsabi, wine glass daw. So, it was wine they were drinking?
It was champagne. So now she cannot tell the difference between a goblet for a wine and a champagne. A champagne glass is much narrower than a goblet. A wine goblet is much bigger, no?
Yeah, wider yung mouth, bulkier yung vessel.
Yes. And for Vendio, no, you don't do wine. You do champagne, no? Typically you do champagne. And judging by the images, champagne glass yun. Kasi narrow and tall and narrow.
Oh, at saka yung color niya.
So probably, tama ka, Joey, may binayaran yan to write something na hindi naman pin-off-read ni Lisa, I'm sure.
Sabi, wine daw kasi ininom before. That time, champagne yung iniinom. Nililito na siya, ano ba ininom niya nung gabi?
Baka wine yung ininom niya.
Oo.
Before siya nakipag-halubilo doon sa mga diplomat. Nakulangan.
Hindi nyo na alam ko ano. My God. Sobrang haphazard talaga nitong press release na to. You know, whoever you are paying to do this one, kulang po yung tinitipid nyo po siya. Kaya, kaya ganito lang yung trabaho niya. Kaya ganitong excuse lang yung trabaho niya. Oh my God.
Sabi niya,
Okay.
when Cheese saw me, he said, wow, believe din ako sa iyo. May energy ka pa after standing and smiling for over an hour. I'm sure you could use a drink. Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's
25
fucking 25 words in less than a second. Eminem, the fastest rapper, is 7.5 words per second. Putang ina. Talo na ni Cheese. Si Eminem, 25 words per less than a second. Walang. Oh!
And this is a direct quote, This is a direct quote. So it could not be any other words but this one, di ba?
Yes. Pero tingnan mo he answered Jesus ano daw. Sabi niya, I laughed and said, you bet. I didn't see her laugh. Okay? And then she said, you bet. And then, so I mischievously got his glass of champagne, took a sip, and told him, ew, hindi naman malamig ang champagne mo. After that, I gave his champagne glass back to him, and then we both had a good laugh over that. What? Kinuha niya diretso ng ininom, and then binigay niya, tumalikod siya, at kinuha na naman niya yung pangalawang basong putang ina niya. So how can she say na she said, you bet, at tapos nagbigay pa siya ng, ew, hindi naman malamig. Ew, hindi naman malamig yung champagne mo. That's fucking 10 syllables in half a second.
And now let's go back to the video, Kuyang. Let's see how that kwento fits, no? Let's go back to the video. Ayan.
Sige nga.
Okay. Ito yung video. Okay. She's walking.
Walking.
Okay.
Okay. So, Jan. Up.
Okay.
Jan,
Are they talking already?
1 second. Shakes his hand.
Okay.
Bongbong shakes his hand. Okay. So, Cheese is not yet talking to Lisa because the president is shaking Cheese's hand. But Lisa is also talking and greeting Martin Romualdez.
Yeah, Martin Romualdez. Ayan.
Yes, okay. All right. So Bongbong Marcos about to shake Cheese's hands. So Cheese and Bongbong Marcos are looking at each other while Lisa Marcos is talking to Martin Romualdez. Okay. Go. Up. Shakes his hand. So Bongbong Marcos greets Martin Romualdez. But look at the hand of Lisa. She's already reaching out to Cheese's hand glass. Tingnan mo. Pag-play mo, kinuha na yan. I-play mo.
Ayan.
See?
Kinuha na niya. Ayan, iniinom niya na.
Paano? Saan yung ew? Hindi naman malamig ko. Saan yung ew? Hindi naman malamig yung champagne mo. Putang ina mo, Lisa. Tangina ka.
Sinungaling ang puta! Diba? Huling-huli ka sa kasinungalingan mo, Lisa! Pinuputang ina mo kami! Diyos me! Diyos me! Ayan. Eto, guys. Actually, yung attentive yung waiter, tama yung isang observer, attentive yung waiter dito eh. Kasi when, let me just,
No, she was supposed to wait. Okay, she was supposed to wait until the president would have shook the hands of everyone, and then automatically yung waiter ay bibigyan na siya ng kanyang glass. Pero hindi siya nakaintay. Okay? She did not mistake Cheese as a waiter. Why would a waiter be in front? Okay? Why would somebody na isang waiter ay nandyan sa sa harapan? So she clearly recognized Cheese Escudero, but the the subconscious desire to drink overcame
took over.
Took over reason, no?
Pero ayan. Ay, mas mahaba pa yung conversation nila ng female dignitary eh.
Tapos sabi niya, and then we laughed about it. She never laughed with Cheese. She was laughing with the female dignitary and Anton Lagdameo, and Cheese was just smiling, twirling his champagne glass.
True.
So and you're not supposed to twirl your champagne. You twirl your wine
with wine.
Maybe some cognac or some expensive whiskey, pero hindi naman yung tangina talaga tong gobyerno na to.
Pero yung meron akong isa pang na-notice. You know, with a statement like this, kasi ito ang haba ng conversation dito eh, 'di ba? According do sa statement ni First Lady, ang haba-haba ng conversation dito. Sabi niya, if truth be told, here's what happened at 10 a.m. yesterday after greeting 82 ambassadors. Bong and I entered the ceremonial hall and we were ushered to where Cheese Speaker Martin Romualdez were standing. Okay. And then she talked about the conversation, the purported conversation, and meron daw sila mga ganyang exchange and whatnot, ganyan. I do not understand why she has to make this kind of conversation, kasi it will definitely remove space para sa asawa niya na mag small talk with Cheese and with Martin, di ba? Kasi parang ang bilis nung ang bilis nung mga pangyayari. Now, if you're the ones who's talking, what about your husband? Wala nang eksena yung asawa mo. Na dapat siya yung parang, pre, ganda ng barong mo o, insan, ganyan. Siya dapat yung nagaganon niya, di ba?
Kaya nga, in fact, she was not supposed to go first. She should have waited after the president shook the hands of Cheese Escudero, Anton Lagdameo, and then Martin Romualdez, and she should have been behind him, shaking their hands, no, after the president, no, and then when Bongbong goes up the stage, she would then have to stand wherever the marker is for her, and then the waiter will now give her her glass of champagne. Or if she really is thirsty, hihingi siya ng glass of water, no? Pero hindi yan ang nangyari, no? So talaga lang confirmed talaga na yung mga haka-haka, yung mga rumors na she is in control of this government, talagang 99.99% if what she displayed is to be taken seriously, na talagang totoo. Kasi, you have to do that in front. I mean, sabi mo na nga you can do all those mischievous antics that you do with if Cheese is your friend, but, displaying that amount of, anong tawag dyan, para nang it was almost pornographic in nature, no? Considering the positions that these people are in, no? I mean, for a first lady.
Seven pa talaga na ang dami-daming dignitaries, kuya. Yes, doon ako naluloko na parang, Bex, hindi ka pwedeng magbiruan ng mga tropa mo sa sa Sana ni Heart?
Right.
Hindi kaya sa Nara, o di kaya sa Quirk, or kung saan mang bar kayo madalas tumambay. I mean, you bring your mischievousness doon sa mga ganong scenario, but not in this kind of situation where, these people who represents different country here in the Philippines are going to carry this story and bring it back home. And that's what they're going to see.
And then people will now tie it up with all the other incidents that showed Lisa breaking protocols. yung mga departures nila with Bongbong Marcos na nandun si Sara when she broke protocol, hindi na dumaan sa red carpet, nasa gilid, tapos inunahan pa niya si Bongbong Marcos, and she snubbed Inday Sara, or the other incident was yung mas inanuhan pa niya si Lucas Bersamin, si S. Bersamin kaysa kay Inday Sara, and then she went ahead 2 flights of stairs before waiting for Bongbong Marcos to, I mean, you know, this lady, no, regularly breaks protocols in front of live TV. Okay? So that's what people should understand.
Disrespecting her husband. Diba?
And the office that he represents.
And the office that he
Kung under Bisaya mo si Bongbong Marcos, Lisa Araneta, bugbugin mo yan siya sa loob ng kwarto nyo. Wag mong ipahiya in front of millions of people and dignitaries, kasi ang nahihiya diyan hindi lang si Bongbong Marcos, pati kaming mga Pilipino, putang ina mo.
True, madam. Ano ba naman yan? 'Di ba? Lagyan nyo naman kami ng kahihiyan, tangina. Hindi ka na nga namin pinili Nire-represent mo na nga kami nang wala kaming kalaban-laban. Umayos ka naman.
Sino bang protocol officer niyan? Uy!
Not so sure. Ayan. Welcome. Ito na po ang ating cosmological woman of the universe.
High mistress of attack.
Napunong-puno ng protocol.
Ang ganda ng lips.
Kamusta naman?
Napaka-civil ng mga naganap, no?
I know!
Very, very. Okay, your Texas.
Pati yung defense. Alam mo yung parang nag-usap para sila. Bakla kita namin pagharap mo kay GC na blood mo yun.
Tapos yung paliwanag niya, daming kwento.
Daming kwento. Bakit parang isip ko, ang haba naman ang conversation sa utak ni Madam. Parang, alam mo, ganito nangyari, ha?
Okay,
so,
sige.
Tatanggalin ko yung ko para malinaw, no? Ganito na naman kasi nangyari, Madam. Okay? So, naglalakad ka, Madam. Pasok ka, lakad, ganyan. Lakad. Tapos, pagkalakad mo, hanggang niya ka, chika-chika. Pagharap mong ganyan, si Cheese, chuk! So,
paano mo pagkakasyahin yung no? Paano pagkakasyahin yung wow, bilib din ako sa'yo, may energy ka pa after studying. Nahablot na. Nahablot na yun. Diba?
Alam mo ba't sila nagpapanik? Alam mo yung nirepost ko na ni MJ. Alam niyo kung ilan na yung viewers noon. Alam niyo kung ilan?
Ilan na?
Alam mo, lang to, ha? In just...
Tapos ilang shares, has?
Hindi shares, ito, ganito karami ang viewers. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Since yesterday. Yesterday.
Saan to yung anong...
Kay MJ. Yung kay MJ, yung pinada ko. 5.7 million.
Views.
Shit.
In one day. For the motherland.
For the motherland.
For the motherland. 5 million.
5.7. 5.7.
Ito.
Ito.
Yes.
I-click mo yung video.
Oh, 3M dito sa akin.
Ay, 5.7 yun sa akin. So, ibig sabihin, meron
may ibang M sa akin eh, oo. So, malamang nga 5.7
yan. May nag-hocus pocus.
Oo.
Kasi naka-outside ako ng hocus pocus eh. Kasi nakita ko, may nag-hocus pocus ha. Pero sa akin, 5.7 million. Ilan ang ano niyan? 31K, yun sa iyo 3M pa lang. Dito sa akin
3M pa lang. Oo.
Sa akin ang na
5. And you might be you are right, Sasno, kasi for some reason sa akin yung mga views ng yung mga nakikita kong number of views laging kalahati, less than laging 50% nung nakikita ng iba. Ayan.
So meron ako rin halimbawa yung isa ko no, yung mga videos ko. Can you imagine naka 1,000 plus shares, ganyan. Kita mo, nasaan kang lugar, Claire?
Totoo to. Kasi yung tawag dito yung mga videos ko, pagka ang tumitingin ako, konti lang siya. Pero pag ang tumitingin iba, triple doble yung views niya.
Oh, kaya kita mo to, yung Real Talk kong pinost, 10,000 shares. Alam mo kung ilan lang ang views pagdating sa akin? 263,000. 10,000 shares?
Oo.
Diba? Pero, serious?
Focus,
Oo. So ganun ang kalakaran. Saan yung pakita mo, iba 3M, 5.7 million na. 5.7 million.
Marami nga nagsasabi dito 5.7 yung nakikita nila.
Oo. So, ganun na kadami in one day. So, ibig sabihin, nagpapanik na sila bakla. So, nagpapanik na yan.
Dapat lang sila mag-panik.
Ano yan?
Sorry. Dapat lang ako silang mag-panic kasi imbis na ma-mitigate yung galit ng mga tao, na-aggravate pa lalo dahil doon sa kasinungalingan nila.
Sino yung Adril Asis?
Saan?
11 million daw kay Adril Asis.
Talaga, nasan ka, Adril? Hindi, baka reach yun. Baka reach.
Hindi, meron daw si Adril Asis nag-share. Meron siya. Yung Adril Asis. So, ay grabe. Bakla 11 million yung kanya.
Pengingan hindi. Pakita natin.
Iba pa to. Ito, bakit ako sa iyo? Iba pa to yung kanya. Can you imagine 11 million plus 5 million? That's 16 million. That's practically half of your voter.
Tayo na lahat nakakita. Harbatera ka ba?
Tingnan mo, sinad ko sa link, bakla. Bakla 11.4 million plus 5.7. That's already your voters.
Pero, Diyos me. Ayan, teka, i-open ko lang for everyone to see. Tsaka para makita rin nila Lisa since nanonood sila nitong live. Ayan. Ala, grabe sa akin, 6.1 million lang yung lumalabas. Ba't ganon? May something wrong talaga dun sa Facebook ko.
Baka kailangan mo mag-delete ng cookies, girl.
Ganon? Sige.
Kailangan mo mag-delete ng cookies.
Cache. Ganon.
Cookies, cache. History.
History. Ayan. Ito ba yun? Ito, ayan. Ayan, Adril Asis, 6.1M. Grabe, solid yung react ko. Solid yung reacts. Na hindi natatawa.
Bakit lahat lang?
191 lang yung nagulat, Bex.
Girl, kulang yun sa'yo. Ano nga siya, 11 billion? Ano siya, 11 million.
11 million.
100. Sino to si Adel Aziz? Ano ba to? At ano lang siya, ang followers lang niya, bakla 1,344 followers. Hindi sabihin yung mga tao talaga naloka. Bakla. Ang followers mo lang, 1,344.
Tapos 11 million.
Tapos yung video to, ng video to, nagkaroong 11 million, 11.6 million. Ibig sabihin ito, bakla, hindi mo to na-anticipate si Adril Aziz kasi hindi ito kasama sa kanilang inaano.
Ibig sabihin, yung kay MJ, controlled pa yon.
Controlled pa yon.
Kay MJ, controlled yun.
Controlled pa yung kay MJ.
Kasi niya si MJ eh.
Control pa yung kay MJ. Itong kay Adel Aziz, kasi nga, kaya nga ang sinasabi ko, yung mga vloggers po dito, sa Facebook, ganyan, please recontent us. Kasi hindi pa kayo sa ginugurgor. Wala kami pakialam, wala akong pakialam kahit i-recontent mo ko. You don't need to make paalam, you know. Just spread the masasamang balita. Anyway.
Kasi, nasa inyo ang susi ng pagkalat ng impormasyon. Kasi hindi naman kayo binabantayan.
Hindi kayo binabantayan, hindi nila kayang bantayan lahat. So always, alam mo ito sa Adel Aziz, bakit mo ito babantayan ang followers ito
1,300 lang.
Tapos walang political content.
Wala siyang political content. So ibig sabihin, oh my God, parang
na-surprise talaga. So ngayon, sobrang taranta nila, hindi pa bumababa yung tama nila, gumawa na sila ng statement.
Basta nakaka-statement, no? Paano nangyari ito lang?
Sabi ni MJ, sabi ko sa inyo magkaibigan yan, dalawang yan eh. Kasi si Lisa, si Cheese yata batch 54, tapos, who's older ba? Lisa is older, no?
Lisa's older. Cheese is
Lisa's
just
older.
53
Lisa is batch 54. And then Cheese is batch 64. 10 years difference, tapos magkaibigan.
10 years ang difference nila. So parang, ang dami namang assumptions dito, madam. Hindi ba pwede mag-Occam's razor ka? Bakla. Kailangan, if you are releasing a statement, apology, etc., you have to follow Occam's razor. Dapat the least assumption that you can you have to release a statement that requires the least assumption in order for it to be believable. Dito kasi parang, si bakla parang ito nangyari in 10 seconds na.
Tapos pilit pa nilang kinonexas na Cheese is in UP and Lisa studied in Ateneo. So what's the connection? They're in separate schools, 10 years apart. So,
hindi nakakaloka doon. Yung sabi niya, yung mischievously took it. Parang, Bex, yun nga yung point. Wala, kahit nag-usap man kayo, Bex, hindi ka makapag-intay ng champagne mo. Bex! Bakla ako kahit ako ay naging homeless at kumain ng leftover sa SM Manila. Bakla hindi ko nang hugot ng inumin.
Ng drinks ng iba.
Dahil napaka-unhygienic. Bakla! Alam mo ba, kahit kami magjowa, hindi kami nag-iinuman sa baso ng isa't isa dahil putang ina daming baso. Hindi ka kumuha ng baso mo. Saka Madam Lisa, nakasalamuha kita, girl, ha? Nakasalamuha kita ilang beses sa ating buhay. Bex, hindi ka uminom ng ibang baso ng iba. Diba? Ano ba ito? Uhaw na uhaw ka ba? Bex, kung uhaw na uhaw ka, hindi kami naniniwala na walang tubig sa iyong sasakyan. Dahil ang tubig ay isang importanteng kasama parate ng lahat ng sasakyan ng presidente.
Yes.
Water is life. Water is important for the safety of the first family, the first couple, what have you. Kahit nga yung mga yung mga cabinet secretary, girl, Bex, yung mga dito na may alam sa mga bodyguard, do you really think that you would let someone leave without you carrying water? It's impossible. Diba? It's talaga is meron lang talagang nakakaloka pa kasi kumuha ka, binalik mo, pagkatalikod mo, kumuha ka, yun isa pang ala. Tapos yung statement mo, ang haba-haba ng pagkaka-explain mo, pero ang ending, wala kayong pakialam kung ginawa ko siyang waiter o nagbiruan kami.
Actually, doon ako nang gigigil talaga ng wagas. Yung justification. Napagod ako kasi... Oo. Kasi parang ganun yung niya, napagod ako kasi parang isang oras akong nakikipagtsikahan sa mga dignitaries and international representatives. Ganyan, parang, tapos naisip mo, Bex?
No, it was
talaga, yung mischievous attitude mo, ilalabas mo talaga sa harap ng mga dignitaries?
No, she made it look like Cheese was offering her the drink. Di ba? Sabi niya sa statement niya.
Hindi, ang sinabi niya, you could use a drink. Tapos sabi niya, you bet. And so I mischievously got his glass of champagne, took a sip, and told him, ew, hindi naman malamig ang champagne mo. Baka lang dami conversation. I think the entire exchange took all of 10 seconds. Parang, baka lang bilis naman. Baka yung pag-sip mo pa lang Bakla 10 seconds sa'yo, bakla tagal. Bakla hindi ka na nag-sip. Girl, ang lalim ng lunok mo doon, no? Ipalabas mo, girl. Ipalabas mo yung video. Tingnan mo kung gaano kalalim ang lunok ni Madam. Ipalabas mo.
Ito.
Ipalabas mo kung gaano kalalim yung lunok niya dyan, ha? Tingnan nyo, ha? Mga kababayan, we have to be objective about these things, no? Objective. Okay.
Ayan.
Malinaw, ha? Kalahin mo, girl. Para makita nila kung tagalin mo yung music. Okay. Para makita, pagmasdan nyo kung gaano kalalim ang lunok niya, ha? At bilangin yung seconds, ha? Tingnan mo yung seconds, girl. Ilagay mo yung para makita natin yung seconds.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan, lunok.
Bakla, ang lalim ng lunok. Hindi mo nakita. Girl, ang lalim ng lunok. Baka hindi sip yun. Girl, ganito ha. Ganito ang sip, madam.
Teka, pupunta ako sa RTVM para yung para hindi pixelated yung hindi pixelated yung...
Panoorin yung ang lalim ng lunok niya. Talagang ganon. Parang bakla ang sip walang lunok. Ganon nga yun sip.
Tapos yung kamay niya nag-reach out na, hindi pa nakaposisyon si Bongbong.
Palito dapat, as a lady, hindi ka dapat nauunang kumukuha ng alcohol kaysa sa asawa mo. Yung asawa mo dapat ang unang-unang humahawak ng alcohol because you're a lady. Girl!
Ayan, ito.
That's the
ito malinaw na version.
Di ba bilangin ninyo yung...
Ayan yung lunok niya.
Girl, wala.
Hindi nakikita?
Hindi na share. Hindi mo na share.
Wait. Sorry.
Siguro from the moment she arrived in that certain point, siguro nasa less than a second or 1 second lang yun.
Girl, kung uhaw ka, alcoholic lang ang umiinom ng alcohol kung uhaw at pagod.
Dapat tubig.
Kung pagod ka, iniinom mo tubig. Amats ka, girl.
Kakalo kasi madam.
Playback speed. May ano ba, Joey? Yung playback speed? Pwede ba ma-slow mo?
Ayan, ito naman sa settings.
Ito. Ayan, bagalan natin.
0.75.
Ayan, sige.
Ayan.
Ito.
Okay, yeah.
Palakihin mo, girl. Palakihin mo.
Malaki na yan. Yan na yung max.
Okay, go.
Okay. Ayan, bagal. Bagalan pa natin ng bagal 5. Ayan. Ayan. Papunta si Madam.
Okay.
Tumalikod. Hindi nga niyan.
Yun, nag-reach out na. Tapos mag-op.
Ayan.
Hindi na masyado makita.
Tingnan niyo yung lunok, ha. Di ba, tungga, pak! Lunok!
yung lunok yung ano?
Head back.
Girl, yung lunok mo, no? It reminded me of an X-rated moment in my life.
Nakaganon pa yung face. Tapos sabihin mo, sip.
At nakakaloka nun. Gumanon muna yung kamay bago gumanon si Cheese sa kanya para may sabihin.
Nadukot na bago mag-approach yung Cheese. Diyos me.
Sigurado ka.
Parang, girl, ang ano ko naman ba? Tapos nag-explain ka. Kapahaba na sinabi mo. Should be told, tapos tatapusin mo na yung statement mo na, ang ibig mo naman sabihin dun sa dulo ng statement mo is, wala kayong pakialam kung ginawa ko siyang waiter or kung naging gentleman siya, kami na lang yun. Bakit ka nag-explain?
Parang yung between dun sa paghugot niya ng alak at saka yung pag-inom niya, tapos yung di naman malamig, kineme. Parang, Madam, saan nakalagay yung hindi naman malamig, kineme, pagkahugot mo, pagkalunok mo.
Talikod ka agad.
Ayun
Tapos
ganun ka pa nga, di ba? Nakaganon pa nga yung bibig mo bago ka tumalikod.
Paano masasabi yung ew yung champagne mo, hindi mo malamig.
Puno yung bibig mo.
Tangin na yan.
Alam mo kung ako yan? Di ba? Ganyan. Simple lang sabihin ko, I'm sorry guys, talagang nauhaw lang ako. Ganun lang, one word. Hindi yung haba-haba na explanation mo. Biglang ang ending mo, wala kayong pakialam kung ginawa ko siyang waiter. Parang, Bix, hindi ko wala kang pakialam. Pwede ka naman nagpakit na lang na, I'm sorry guys, talagang napagod lang ako at napilitan akong inumin yung kay Cheese dahil wala pa yung aking glass. Simple! Na parang yung mga tao pa na, ay shit, hindi na talaga napag-intay si Madam kasi uhaw siya. Pero itong girl, parang bakla.
Actually,
tingnan mo yung lakad, Sas, parang nakatoma na eh.
Di ba, tingnan mo yung lakad niya.
Tingnan mo yung lakad.
Nakakaloka siya.
Tingnan mo, Tingnan mo yung bibig. Kasi dapat naka-close up si Madam para makita mo yung ano niya, yung cheeks niya na lumobo yung cheeks niya na gano'n ang pagkainom niya.
Yung
nasaan yung iyo?
Kasi iyo, hindi mo malamig.
May laman pa yung bibig niya eh.
Alam mo, nakakalo ko din sa statement niya. Girl, nang hablot ka na nga ng inumin, nilait mo pa yung hinablutan mo. Parang, Dex, maraming mali. Ang lahat mali.
Diyos me. Dito, humawak na sa buhok si BBM. Ayan. I think, embarrassed siya. Kasi, syempre, si BBM, sanay yan sa protocols and di ba?
I think he wasn't aware. I think he wasn't aware na may nangyari. Kasi nakikipag-chismisan siya kay Martin eh.
Tinignan niya parang nag-side-eye siya dun sa eh.
Ano ba itsura ni Cheese, oh? Bakit na ganyan si Cheese? Natatawa siya niya. Si Cheese walang kausap ng panahon na yan. Nakatingin siya sa floor. Na parang, shit, what just happened? Alam mo, parang ganyan.
Well, yeah, oo.
Ayan kita mo.
Grabe yung ni Cheese, yung smile ni Cheese, oh.
Actually, aminin mo, na parang, bakla ko nakipagbiruan si Cheese kay Cheese. Bakit mo iniwan? Iniwan mo talaga, tapos doon ka nakipagtawanan sa kabila.
Diyos me. Actually, merong shinare na na clip yung Third Floor Studios. Ang tawag dito, sumasayaw siya habang nakatayo siya. Ay, teka, maluloka kayo dito. Teka.
On the same event?
On the same event. Teka ha.
After na the glass grabbing incident, after na?
Before.
Before pa.
Oo, before pa.
Tama nga ako, nakatuma na yan.
Oo. Teka lang ha. Ay, hindi mo palaki. Teka, paano ba to? Paano to palalakihin?
YouTube? Nasa YouTube?
Nasa YouTube eh.
So it was taken before before their grand entrance o ano?
During the yung Independence Day celebration, yung may mga military kineso pa sa kapaligiran.
Okay.
Teka, hindi mo palaki pero tingin ko na makikita naman ninyo yung indak ni Madam. Ayan.
Nasa harap siya nung military, yung honor guards?
Oo. Ayan, mga honor guards. Tas ayan, dyan siya. Anong tama nito?
Ano sinasayo niya bagong Pilipinas?
I don't know.
Bakit siya umiindak-indak? Ano sinasayo niya?
Walang sound, Joey. May sound ba?
Meron, pero yung yung sound niya, yung bagong Pilipinas hymn.
Okay.
I'm not so sure. Ayan. Hindi ko alam if hindi ko alam if yun talaga yung background niyan.
So, umiindak-indak siya. Tingnan mo sa RTVM.
Sige.
So ito yung sa Luneta yun?
Sa Luneta. Ay, oo, ito. Teka. Share ko na para sama-sama tayong maghanap. Ito yon. Ay, hindi. 4 minutes lang yan eh.
Okay. Sinare mo sa wall mo?
Teka lang. Hindi ito. Ito. Yung mga may honor guards. Ayan.
Okay.
Saan kaya dito? Ayan si Lisa. Ayan. Inano ko na yung mabilis na siya na part.
Okay, so flag racing.
Flag racing, ayan. Yan na natin. Wala kasi yung ano eh. Sa YouTube makikita mo yung eksena eh.
Yung frame by frame, no?
Oo, frame by frame. Ano si Lisa dito? Parang nandito si Lisa somewhere. Ito yung background niya eh.
Ito yung background yung ano eh. Yung
ito yung mga uniformed ano.
So si somewhere ano sa gilid.
Nakakaloka si Madam.
Yung raw footage na yan, tingnan natin ilang
ito yung raw, ito yung ano, ito yung actual na flag racing nung ano, nung 12. Masons. Ayan.
Ano yan?
Ito nag-ano sila,
Panatang makabayan.
Buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas.
Ayan. Baka nga yung him. Kasi ito yung time na ano na tapos ng ano nakapaglabas na sila nito ng memo eh. Nakakanta yung Bagong Pilipinas him.
Hindi, tingnan mo nga yan. Ano yung Okay.
Ano? Ayun na, so nakanta na yung hymn dyan.
Parang
kahit naman yung mga cabinet niya, hindi kabisado yung kanta.
Oo nga.
So, pati si ano, Rasco hindi rin kabisado. Si BBM din, hindi naman kabisado.
Wala nga eh. Wala nag-lip sync sa kanila, kahit isa.
Hindi, I think baka nasa dulo, girl.
Baka nasa dulo, teka.
Hindi, i-forward mo pa. Baka nasa... I'm pretty sure baka tapos na.
Yung sa ano na, no?
After nung ano, after
ng flag, ano.
Yung wreath laying, no? After
nung wreath laying.
Ayan, baka pagkatapos niyan.
$17.46.
Ay, ayan na.
Baka yan, iniwan na kasi. Siya na lang mag-isa nun. Baka yun na yun. Baka ibang camera angle yun. Yung nakakuha doon.
Kasi hindi siya kasama dito. Ayan, sa iba siya dumaan eh. Ay. Kasi sumakay na yata siya ng sasakyan.
Baka sa umpisa.
Ay, hindi.
Baka pagkatapos. Baka habang nag-antay siya ng sasakyan, pipick up siya.
Baka pagkatapos. Nandiyan ba si Sarah?
Wala.
Ayun na yun.
Ito? Hindi mag-isa lang siya.
Hindi nandiyan si Sarah.
Wala si Sarah. Hindi pumunta si Sarah. Si Sarah nasa Davao. Doon siya nag-celebrate ng Independence Day.
Anyway, okay na. Okay. It's not such a mystery.
True. Well, anyway, nakakaloka lang dahil parang talaga. Chug.
Sandali. Paano pala siya napasok ng meeting diplomats? Eh, di ba nung pagkapasok pala niya, doon pala niya nakita yung mga diplomats?
Di, parang ano lang atas previous to that entrance, nasa labas na sila yung kabilang hall. Doon sila parang nag-meet and greet ng mga diplomats. Isa-isa.
Huh?
Kasi may ano yun.
Yung
diba,
event,
may video doon, nakatayo silang dalawa. Tapos isa-isa yung mga ambassadors na pumipila.
Na kumakamay.
Papasok na sa kabilang hall. Hinihintay din naman sa pagkatapos. Pumasok na sila. Nag-grand entrance na si Unanay.
Nag-grand entrance na sila pagkatapos ng... I don't understand the protocol. Kasi nung kay PRRD, nandiyan na lahat, toast.
Toast, diretso.
Diba? Yung parang, why do you need to do that, greeting them each and everyone? Like,
right.
Her royal family.
Hindi. Actually, it's actually lowering the presidency. Nandun ka?
Kasi, yeah.
You have to be there, all equal there, and then I arrive, hello. Because my time is precious. Ganun kasi yun. Kung gusto ko ako ma-meet, set up appointment with my secretary. Ganun lang kasi, isa-isa mo silang babati. Parang, bakla, bakit ka maghihintay dyan isa-isa? Bakla, parang you're lowering down the presidency.
And then there was even yung representative ng United Nations, parang Commission on Human Rights ata yun, who paused for about 2 minutes ata yun, or more than 2 minutes to talk to the couple. And he was the guy assigned during the time na yung extraction nga daw ang nangyari.
This guy. I think it was this guy. Teka. Medyo nag-stiffen doon si no? Actually, may mga nakapansin nga na nung kausap niya yung yung representative na yun, kuya. Parang nag-stiffen si Lisa.
Nakapag-post ka ba nun?
Hindi ko pa siya pinopost.
Okay. Ayan. Parang nauna pa ata yun.
I don't know why do you need to greet all of these one by one, girl?
Kaya nga eh.
What for? You're lowering the presidency.
True. China? Ano natin? I think after ng China yan eh.
Parang after ng China.
Oo.
Yan. Hindi yan.
After...
Parang kasunod yan. Parang ano yun eh. Mexican ata yun siya? Or Mexican or ano ba yun? Hungary.
Miss Hungary! O, diba? Sino nga tong guy na to? Russia?
Pavlov. Russia.
Di ba walang ganyan si Di ba walang ganyan tong kay PRRD? I don't even think may ganyan Gloria. Even kay Pinoy.
Kay PRRD, I remember, may nag-post nga noon, kinancel noong 2017 dahil nga doon sa Marawi siege.
Hindi yung ganyan, nababatiin mo isa-isa tapos meron kang it doesn't, you're lowering down the presidency. Nakaupo ka siya. No, you go there. Hello, welcome to the banquet, Chorba.
Right.
That's it, diba?
That's it.
Yes.
Baka para kang naging mascot ka.
Oo.
Bakla para kayo mga nagpapapicture sa mga mga tourist spot sa Pilipinas.
Eh, yun na nga eh.
it doesn't do anything to the presidency or whatever, or it doesn't. It's a waste of time.
Gustavo Gonzales.
Yeah, Gustavo Gonzales.
Remember, Gustavo Gonzales. Ito, the guy after this guy.
Yes.
The guy after this guy. Ayan.
And look at how tacky this entire setup is, ha? Ikaw nandyan ka, pipicturean ka, tapos ang background nyo sa likod is picture mo.
Oo.
Bakla, ayan o. Bakla, magpipicture ka, tapos ang background mo is picture mo. This is so tasteless.
True.
Look at that.
Kulang na lang yung plastic na sofa, no? Yung sofa na naka-plastic.
Magpapapicture sa'yo, tapos ang background ninyo is painting mo. Bakla, this is so tacky. Bakla, look at that. It is so tacky.
Teka nga, ano ko nga yung...
Diba? Saan maganda magpapicture? Ay, dito tayo. Magawin nating background yung painting ko.
Eto. Sorry. Ito siya. Nakita ko na.
Sige.
Sinend ni ano. Ay, asa na yan? Wait. Video.
Medyo matagal ba din yun, Joey?
Hindi. Saglit lang. Ito. This guy. Ayan.
Okay. Yan.
Ayan.
Okay. So, yun, medyo matagal daw.
Oo.
Yan, tingnan mo yung mukha. Tingnan mo yung mukha ni Liza.
Nag-stiffen siya eh. Yung parang nag-ano siya eh.
Biglang naging very serious, no? Tapos pati yung si Gustavo. Tingnan mo.
True, ayan.
No? It was a very telling encounter, ha? Unlike yung mga previous, ha? Na
yung demeanor niya, no?
Demeanor.
Talaga,
Yun.
Tapos yung pagdating kay Gustavo Gonzales, Gonzales is the UN, ang tawag ito?
Parang UNCHR? Yun, Commission on Human Rights.
UNCHR siya. So basically, yung complaint tungkol doon sa extraction, sa kanya nilodge.
Sa kanya, no? Kasi UNCHR representative siya sa Pinas, eh.
Oo. Ayun.
Pero yun na nga, he was also assigned in Turkey during the extraction daw, sabi.
Really?
Oo.
Ano kaya yun?
So 2022
baka naman
yun, no? Diba? So
this is bread and circus. It's unnecessary. It doesn't do anything. You're lowering down the stature of the president. You don't let the president wait like that
right. For 82 diplomats, huh?
For 82 diplomats, because the diplomats are not on the same level as you.
Exactly.
Bakit they're not on the same level as you. All of you, stay there at the bottom. I will speak, you listen. If you want to talk to me, schedule an appointment. That's how you do power play.
Right.
Why are you waiting for 82 people lower than you?
Right.
Labo.
True.
Only to shake hands. And then eventually, pag nandun na sila sa loob lahat, bago ka pa papasok. I mean, para kang niyan eh. Ginawang, anong tawag dyan? Usher.
Yung tourist spot niya. Tourist spot. Ginawa ka para kang tourist spot.
Picture taking.
Di ba yung mga mascot? Na parang, makinig ka sa akin, no? You're still the first lady and your husband is still the president. Scratch this next year. You're lowering down. you don't wait. You don't let the president wait like that for people lower than him. It has to be on the same level. Wala ganyan. Bakla. Ay, sana kung presidente, kung head of state yung inaano niya, no?
82 na presidents, di ba?
82 president, pero yung ganyan, girl, it's a waste of time. You let them be in the banquet, you enter, you get a champagne, bindi cheers. You exit. That's it.
Tama.
That's all the purpose of that. It's just like honoring them with the toast. That's it. Why do you need to welcome them, each one of them? Hindi naman sila bago. It's not you're
It looks like kasama pa niya yung mga dignitaries na yun the whole day. Kasi nandun sila sa flag raising eh.
Yes, sa flag raising. Yes.
Nandun din sila eh.
Yeah, exactly.
Kaya actually, that's why probably Liza really needed that drink na.
Kaya nga, di ba, you let them wait there, you enter, hello dignitaries, this is the Philippines, this is my thank you, toast, exit. Kaya nintay mo sila isa-isa, bakla ano ka mo, chacha, na mga diplomat. Hindi mo sila level. You're not on the same level as the president is higher than a diplomat.
Exactly.
Simple.
Tama. Ayun. But, may kasi parang, yun yung problem kay, I don't know kung sino kaya nag-isip nito na dapat may ganyan? Kaya dapat i-fire nila, no?
Sinong protocol officer nila? Hindi masyadong kilala, no?
I don't know.
Iba yung social secretary nila, si Subel.
Yung
protocol officer.
Yung may audio na laging piniplay ni Maharlika di ba? Yung Subel. Oo. Ano yung Beatrice ba yan?
Parang ganon.
Oo. Tapos, is the social secretary the ones deciding para sa mga protocols? Kung sa mga ganito.
I don't know kung social secretary
siya. No. Merong ibang protocol. Protocol is protocol. Social secretary is social secretary.
Okay. So, anong tawag doon? Protocol secretary? Ay, protocol officer?
Officer, yes.
Protocol. Yan tawag. Protocol.
Okay.
Philippines. Protocol officer, Philippines.
Sino din?
Protocol officer work. Ano to?
Parang under secretary level yan. Or assistant secretary ata.
Who?
Parang senior protocol officer. Protocol officer, yes.
Under siya ng DFA.
Okay,
under siya ng DFA. Tapos level 4 position siya.
Director
4. Hindi ko alam kung anong nitong sa DFA pero sa DFA iba kasi sa DFA kailangan mo dyan meron kang foreign service kineso
Yes, foreign
ganun,
service.
tapos parang may level 1, 2, 3 ganyan. But for this position kailangan level 4 ka. Ayun, ang tinik ng requirements para maging protocol officer. Ayan. Coordinates and prepare the logistical and protocolar requirements of post-events and visiting of dignitaries and guests. Okay. So yun lang. Okay. So yun yung sinasabi. Specific na yun lang yung trabaho.
Observance of duty to country, ethical conduct.
Efficient delivery of solutions and results, service orientation, effective communication, cultural and diplomatic sensibility, teamwork and collaboration, protocol administration management, events management, attention to details, diplomacy, planning and organizing, initiative, technical writing.
So, sino kaya nun? Sino kaya yun?
Base dito kasi naghahanap sila ng protocol officer eh.
So wala, bakante yun.
Oo, parang bakante siya.
Oh, wow.
Parang bakante siya.
Oh, vacancies
Girl,
na.
iba yan, DFA protocol yan. Ang Malacanang, ang Office of the President, talagang protocol sila.
Meron din siya sarili niya.
Presidential protocol officer.
Lahat ng officials may protocol officer. Even the Vice President has her own protocol officer.
Ito, presidential. Ay, ito. Ay, hindi, 2019 to eh. Noong 2019, ang Chief Protocol Officer.
That's DFA,
Oo. Hindi, presidential ito. Chief of Presidential Protocol and Presidential Assistance on Foreign Affairs. Robert Eric Borge.
Okay.
So, siya yung panahon ni PRRD. Ngayon, Miguel Rubio.
Rubio.
Ay, hindi, 1998 pa to, sorry. 2019. New protocol officers. Sino kaya to? Hindi, to eh. Sa Congress to eh. Wala siyang 2024.
Sa PCO, Joey, wala. Wala, Ang hirap, hindi mahanap,
Oo nga eh. Kay PRRD lumabas agad eh.
I don't think that this is a good idea na paghintay mo yung presidente ng gano'n na no, you can't. I won't wait on you. You're a diplomat.
Oo.
Kaya nga eh.
Agree.
We're just an ambassador. We're on the same level. We're not on the same level. Tatayo ako dito for several hours para lang kamayan ako ng isang ambassador? No, it doesn't work that way.
Right.
Head of state ang waiting. Diba? Kaya nga halimbawa makikipag-meet yung presidente ng diplomat, you always arrive late. Power play yan eh.
Pax! Parang tinanggal nila. Parang tinanggal nila. Teka, ito. Ito, Executive Order number 11. Ito yung streamlining of Kineso. Yes, further streamlining the administrative structures of the Office of the President. So, ito na yung structure. Ito, President, Executive Secretary, Chief Presidential Legal Counsel, Special Assistant to the President. So, meron kang PLLO, Presidential Assistants. Presidential Communications Office, Private Office. Ay, hindi. Ito pala. Ito.
Protocol Office.
Ito, Protocol Office. So, ka-level niya yung
Social Secretary.
Yung Social Secretary. Ka-level niya.
Okay.
Nakakaloka yung welcome isa yung mga diplomat ambassador. You're not. Why you need to do that?
Protocol.
Then you have to wait for 1 hour. Each hand.
Bakit? Wala namang yun. Nakabase na naman sila sa Pilipinas eh. And they're not you're not on the same level.
Tama ka doon, Sas, binaba nila yung level ng ng Office of the President. The office mismo,
Oo. At saka di ba parang namit mo naman na yan nung nanalo ka?
Tapos yung bago nag-courtesy call na yan. Di ba?
Oo, just yung bago nag-courtesy call na yan. I mean, parang...
Diba? So why the redundancy? Why the,
Gusto nila ng party. Gusto
nila ng pomp and circumstance. You know what? I haven't seen anything like this in Europe, no? I have witnessed a lot of fun, parang Independence Day moments nila. Wala ko nakita ganyan. Guess ka, nandiyan ka. Pwedeng pag isa-isa, ano ba ito? Diyos ko, dahil kachipan. Gusto lang nila itong gumastos. Gusto lang nito na magandang picture-picture. Bakla. You don't let the president wait for people beneath him unless unless it's a very important hindi ka tatayuin mo ng ganyan na parang ayun na nga, ginawa siyang mascot. Ginawang mascot yung office of the presidency.
Sabi ni Connie, yung Vin Dionor, ginagawa daw siya twice a year. New Year's Day at Independence Day.
Oh, okay.
Sabi yung ginagawa raw siya.
Wala naman siyang point. To be honest, anong point?
Yes.
Di ba, well?
Yan? Yung Vin Dionor?
Well, pang ano lang siya. So, catch up, hello. Parang social event lang yan with the So, maybe it's just really part of our tradition. Pero girl, parang napaka-wasteful nito na girl.
Kung sosyalan, kung sosyalan to, sige, fine, okay, ginagawa siya, tradition siya, ganyan-ganyan. Pagkatapos talaga, pinili talaga ni Lisa na parang pabaunan ng kwento at iba't ibang dignitaries at ang kwentong iuuwi nila sa kanilang bansa ay nang agaw siya ng Toma.
hindi nga sila uuwiin. Nakabiin sila sa Pilipinas, Bex.
And dumating yung time nga na they have to go home, di ba? Na
they get in touch with
kukontak sila din sa principals nila, di ba?
Bianca Sobel. Yes. Maging tapatan tayo. Taki o hindi na nagpapapicture?
Sa harap ng picture.
Tapos nasa harapan ng picture mo? Sige nga. Girl. Hindi ako lumaki sa Labuena ng pamilya. Ako yung kumain ng scavenge food. Pero alam kong taki yan. Girl. Ito mga nakikinig dito, magpapapicture ba kayo? Tapos ang likuran ninyo is picture nyo? Sino dito gano'n na hindi ka dito tayo magpapicture sa harapan ng picture ko. Putang ina, taki! So tasteless. Bianca Sobel. Minus ka dyan, sis. Minus. Napaka-social mo, girl. Hindi mo nakita na yung presidente nagpapapicture sa harapan ng painting niya. What
Sabi ni F, Rachel Quiñones, Chief Presidential Officer of
Chief Presidential. Baka Chief Protocol Officer.
Pero kasi yung mga office, yung mga nandung office sa panay chief yung mga yan eh. Chief Presidential Officer ang tawag. I mean, yung specific na protocol officer. Siya ba? Rachel Quiñones, sabi ni Anyway, ayun. Nakakaloka.
Grabe, no?
Hindi nakakaloka to. Well, anyways, iwanan na natin to si Lisa. Okay lang sa inyo.